Welcome back, everybody. So just to talk about some of the algebraic features of the Inspire for iPad. So we're going to go to Tools in the Algebra menu, and then we're going to click on the Solve. We're just going to type in an equation, just like I did in one of my previous videos. (2x plus 5 equals 25. Don't forget, you have to put comma x in because you have to tell the calculator what you're solving, what variable you're solving for. And then we use nsolve and put in the same function or equation. nsolve just gives us the numerical value as your answer. We can also solve quadratic functions. So x squared plus 16. We can also put in quadratic functions. So let's try x squared plus 16 equals 0. Don't forget to reference x, and you see that that's false. That is because that produces an imaginary number. And there's a different mode that you have to use in order to get the proper result in with an imaginary symbol. But if we change the sign from plus to minus, then we get what we call the zeros of the function, or the places on the parabola on the graph where you cross the x-axis. Moving to factoring. So sometimes when I use my keyboard, the large letter X shows up. So I just double X, and then I just do a backspace and get rid of that uppercase X. So let's factor the same type of function expression, and we get X minus 4 times X plus 4. So I recommend you using this kind of thing for when you want to check your work, not to think for you. So let's try something that is a little bit different. X squared plus 8x plus 16, comma x. And there you have it, x plus 4 squared. And then let's go to expand, and we're going to do just go up and copy what we had there. And then it does the opposite of factoring. It multiplies for you. I know, it's incredible. So next, let's try the zeros of a function, which are also considered to be the x-intercepts. And we're just going to copy the same function just so you can see what you get. And it actually does it for you. I know when I did completing the square, when I learned it, I did not like it. So it's another way just to check your work. And let's work with solving systems. So you just need to make sure how you pick how many equations you have and what variables you're using. And I'll just make up an equation for both. So x plus 2y equals 10. and then 2x plus, or 2x minus y equals 15. And this is really cool. It gives you the place where both lines intersect, which is your solution. And similar to numerical solve, you can find this in the menu as well, but I'm just going to type, and similar to numerical solve, I'm just going to type LIN in front of solve. So I copied the equation down, and I'm just going to type LIN in front of it. And when you hit enter, there you go. Thank you for watching.